To save an unsaved map, you just come up to here to this bright red area, and this is how you know that it has not been saved, and click Save this map. If a map has been previously saved, you don't need to worry about saving it. It will automatically update and save as you make changes to the map. But you can click either here on Save or Save this map, as long as you are logged into an account already, and you can choose to save it to your account. So let's say for this, we're just going to call this sample tutorial, or you could use whatever naming convention your team or organization uses. And you could also save with a little bit of extra information here and tell us about your map area. And you could just type anything you want that pertains to the search, whether that's location, date, stuff that you might want to help you remember what the heck this map is about. And then you can also quickly view sharing options. If you do publicly viewable, anybody can find this map. If you do viewable with URL, anybody can find this or look at this map if you give them the URL. If you make it completely private, only somebody logged into your account, meaning you, will be able to look at this map. However, if I make it viewable with URL, and I give somebody the URL that is not logged into my account, yes, they will be able to view the map, but they will not be able to edit the map. If I want to give them the ability to edit or have write access is what that's called, I would make a password. Let's use 123 as the password. And if they log in to their account and look at this map that I shared with them after giving them the link, and they typed in the password 123, they would be able to then edit that map. All you got to do is hit save, and then you'll notice up here the URL has changed. And so if I were to share this URL with somebody, they would then be able to log in and check out this map. And if they knew the password, they would be able to change the map. So if I log in from a random account right now, I can just type in the whole link, copy and paste it. See right here it says this map is read only. But if I click on that and I enter the password, 123, I now have the ability to edit this map.